That's a great question. So the upper cup is really, besides the chin is my favorite procedure, but the upper cup is my second favorite. And why? You can really shape the breast in a beautiful way. I can actually say, what don't you like about your breast? And they say, geez, I wish I had more cleavage. Well, I can put a marker on their chest and say, how about that? Oh, no, oh yeah, if you can do that, great. So, and then I can give them the mirror in the procedure, and they can actually look at the mirror and say, oh, I like that. I'll say, okay, let me do it to the other side. And then before we're done, I can say, well, we sit the patient up and they look in the mirror and they're like, how about a little more side boob? And as long as we have the fat to do it, great. So it's very sculptural. It's really like sculpting with clay. And a lot of people think that the fat's just gonna like get absorbed or run out. And we purposely put too much fat in because you lose about 33% of what we put. I say it's like Levi's shrink to fit jeans. So we put in too much, so when they shrink, they're the right size.